So we have another Universal Yums box. I actually don't know which country this is, so we're gonna open it up and see what's inside. Ooh. And this is Ukraine. The first thing is homemade bread chips made with rye wheat bread. So wheat bread chips. We open up the bag, and inside, this is what they look like.
I don't know if it's gonna be yummy or not.
It might be yummy, I don't know. That's why we're gonna try it. See if I can get it open.
I don't know what it is about these boxes, but every box there's at least 1 or 2 items I have the hardest time opening. It feels like a setup.
It's crunchy, hard to bite, and
So it tastes really good, but it's kind of hard. It just reminds me of pita chips, but I do like the flavor of them. I think these will be good if you dip them in like some cream cheese based dip. Ooh, these would be really good with the sour cream and onion dip.
Next up was these wasabi chips. I was actually really excited about these because I like wasabi a lot. I don't think wasabi is spicy, like actually spicy, but my kid probably will, and he's not a fan of spicy stuff, so I decided to try these, just me. So let's see how it goes. So I really like these. The texture reminds me of Pringles, not standard like potato chips. They're really soft. I decided to let my son try. He wasn't a fan. Next up was this sponge cake with like a cream filling. So we decided to give this one a try. It was actually really good. It had like a aftertaste to it that I couldn't place. It tasted good. It was just different, but I liked it a lot. And then my friend off camera tried some. She liked it too. This next item is a chocolate covered wafer with a cookies and cream filling. When I saw it, I was like, this is going to be impossible to mess up. It's going to taste like Oreo filling and a chocolate covered wafer. Like, you cannot go wrong with that. So I tried it with my son and my friend, and this is how that went.
And let's go.
Really good.
I like that one.
Both of them really liked it, but I was not a fan. It's just something about the filling that tasted off to me. Yeah, I give that like a 2 out of 10. Next up was a blackcurrant pie, and I was a little skeptical about this because I've only had blackcurrant anything once in my life. It's not exactly easy to find, at least in my area, and this was in a tart that was made like in a bakery, not prepackaged. So I was nervous. Turns out it was unnecessary to be nervous. This was delicious. Easily like a 9.5 out of 10. I loved it, and my son did too.
Then we have this yum bag. What's inside? Good things come in small packages. This package specifically. As we search the world for the very best yums, we sometimes stumble upon smaller treats that are big on flavor but small in size. We gathered them up in this yum bag so you can discover some of the best small bites in the world. So let's open it up, see what's inside.
I was really struggling with this packaging, y'all.
Chewing sweets. I don't know what that means, but we're gonna see what it is.
I think it's something like food.
This tastes like a banana Laffy Taffy, just like fluffier. So think of banana Laffy Taffy, just more airy. So not bad.
Really good.
I'll give it like a 6. What do you give it out of 10 points?
10.
So this one, it says glazed sweets, and it has a picture of a lemon. So I'm guessing it's a lemon flavored glazed something. It's chocolate. Chocolate and lemon really don't go together in my book, but I'm gonna break it in half. Here you go.
I'm glad that was the last item to try because it was so bad that we completely gave up on the video after that.
We didn't like that one, but it's fun trying snacks from different places. I'm excited to see what the next box has in it. Have you had Universal Yums? If you have, what's your favorite country?